welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can get started with Quantower trading platform. We will see how we can create an account in Quantower, how we can download and install Quantower desktop application, and how we can log into that. So the first thing that we do is we will see how we can create an account in Quantower. To create an account in the Quantower, in the description of this video I will provide a link. If you click on that link, it will open up this particular page where we can sign in to our account, and if you don't have an account, then you can create an account by clicking on this get started. So since you people don't have an account, we will click on the get started, and here we will enter our email ID and then our full name and then the phone number, and then we will select our state, and after that we will create a password for our Quantower account. Now here, while providing the details, make sure that you provide valid email ID and phone number, because in the next step we need to verify the OTP that is sent to the details that we provide here. Now once we provide the information for all these fields, we will click on this checkbox and we will agree to the terms and conditions, and then we will click on the create account. Once you click on the create account, you will be asked to enter the OTP, and once you enter your OTP and once it is verified, your account will be created. So the next thing that we do is we will download and install Quantower desktop application, and to do that we will open up a new tab in here and we will enter the website address as quantower.in. And here in this website we can see more details about the Quantower desktop platform, and here we will click on this downloads, and here we can see that we will get to use this platform with all the features for 5 days along with the live data. After the 5 days free trial, most of the functionality will be available, but for some advanced functionality like order flow or volume analysis, you have to get a subscription. So now to download the application, we will click on this download button. Depending on your operating system, you can click on this download link. I have a 64-bit operating system, so I will click on this download 64-bit version. Once I do that, the download will begin. We will wait for the download to complete. Okay, now the download is complete. If I take the cursor on this downloaded file, then I can see this folder icon which says show in folder. If I click on that, it will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved, and that is generally the downloads folder, and we can see the downloaded file. So in order to install Quantower, we will double click on this downloaded file, and now Quantower asks us where we want to extract the Quantower files. So here we can click on these 3 dots and we can select a folder where we want to extract the files. Quantower will not be installed to your C drive. It will be extracted to whatever the folder you choose. And here you can choose any folder, for example, like desktop or documents or downloads. So here in this video, I will extract it in this downloads folder and click on OK. And after that, I will click on this extract. Now, as you guys can see here, the files are extracted. We will wait for it to finish. Once the extraction is complete, Quantower will launch. Now I'm going to minimize this folder and in this browser. Now in the desktop, you guys can see a shortcut is also created. So you can double click on this shortcut and you can launch Quantower. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to sign in to our Quantower account. So here we will provide the email ID and the password that we have used while creating the account in the Quantower. After entering the details, click on sign me in. Now you will be logged in to your account. Now we will close this license manager. And here the Quantower opens with some default settings. In order to connect to data, in the top right corner, we can see True Data Plus. If we click on that, a window will open, and here we can click on this connect. As I said before, when a new user registers with Quantower, they'll get to use the Quantower platform with all the features for 5 days. So if I click on this connect here, it will connect to true data. Now it is connected. We will close this window, and now the data is loaded in here. We can see, for example, now if I click on this cluster and enable that, and if I go to imbalance in here, we can see the order flow chart loaded here. And from this point onwards, we can set up the Quantower according to our needs and we can start using it. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have any doubt, then post it in the comment section. I'll try to help. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.